Hi guys, if you want to send the emails through GoDaddy with the latest PHP version, you will face this issue. Unable to connect with star TLS, even you are not using the TLS, right? Why this issue happen? PHP tries to send the email through TLS, even you are not sending it through the TLS. So how to prevent this out? So before this I was using the default Laravel configuration and it was not working. It's working in my previous application which are using 7.4, which is less secure, but in the latest 8.2 it's not working. Actually PHP 8.2 is not the latest one. I'm saying latest, I mean higher. Okay, so from 8.1 8.2 onward it's using the more secure policy, right? So that's why it's not able to send this email. So then I need to tell this to the stream that here I don't want to send this, but still it's not working. Then I need to add them here: verify peer false, verify peer name. Why I need to add them? Because GoDaddy is using the relay server and we don't have any credentials for the relay server. We are not using the username and password. We are using the null, similar in the env file. So now if I go back and try it one more time, but before this I haven't closed this terminal, this tinker terminal, so it will work same as if I want to show that it will throw an error, send, and yes, showing the error. But if I'll stop it and now run it tinker again and send the email, so then this will work. Okay, let's open the tinker command. I'm running a specific PHP version command, so that's why I need to go to the tinker specific PHP version, and yes, you can see this. Now I'm inside the tinker and I'm going to send the email. Clicked, and yes, you can see this. Now I'm returning the success response, so it means that this email is sent successfully, not the error, right? And if I go to this page, I see that I'm receiving this email, right? This is old email, but I confirm that I'm receiving that email. So this is the solution you need to mention in the config file to basically not verify it. So in this way you can send the email. I hope this will resolve your issue. I was in the production and thinking about that, why it's working on the PHP 7.4 but not working on the 8.2. So that seems very weird, but I have resolved this. That's why I thought I will share with you, so maybe it will help to you. Thank you. Bye bye.